Send this video to anyone who asks, is CNC woodworking real woodworking? I have the answer and I can prove it. All right, let's look at this. Real woodworking. We're going to test each one of these to see if it is real. This is the definition of real. Blah, 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 not imagined. If I took this CNC project and bashed you over the head with it, the pain you would feel would not be imagined. So yes, this satisfies the criteria. It is real. Now let's look at woodworking. That means wood that has been worked.
Notice the definition doesn't say by a human. That'll be important later.
It starts like this, it's worked to this, and then those pieces end up on the product. So it does satisfy woodworking. It is not imagined, wood that has been worked. Now that you know the answer, if you ask this question again,
I want to be clear before I go on any further. What I'm about to say only applies to people who have seen this answer and then asked the question again. Basically, everyone gets a free pass the first time.
The community can forever label you as, they actually have a moral obligation to forever label you as a ball baby pissy pants. This is an unproductive question. If you don't think so, when someone asks you that question, immediately ask them,
what if the answer is CNC is not real woodworking? What action would you suggest I take?
See what they say. They'll probably not know how to respond, but if they respond by saying, well, then you shouldn't do it, you can laugh directly in their face. Laugh directly in the face of that ball baby pissy pants who wants to bring everyone down with a stupid question that has no value to anyone. Stop asking the question. You've got the answer. Be awesome.